Thanks to the water-abundant Murghab River flowing in the heart of the vast Karakum Desert, an oasis was formed here. The Merv Oasis became inhabited already about 4,000 years ago. From the 3rd century BC to the 3rd century AD, the capital of the Parthian kingdom, Nisa, was located here. New Nisa, also known as Tizin-Yusa, is situated on the territory of Turkmenistan and has been present for several thousand years. In 2007, this monument was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. This is the bottom of a bowl from New Nisa, traditionally painted in blue and white colors. This and other items are part of the virtual exhibition organized by UNESCO in cooperation with museums of 6 Central Asian countries. See other items as well.